If you're looking to cover over areas of your yard where most plants won't thrive, you'll need to find the correct ground cover. Even though you'll still have to tend to their needs, these plants can actually fix a lot of your landscaping woes. And this is the list. Number 1. Sweet Woodruff. Sweet Woodruff is a small shrub or tree that thrives in shady areas. In the spring, it produces tiny white flowers that bloom at around the same time as crabapples. Although it can spread rapidly in optimum conditions, sweet woodruff often develops well-behaved clusters of tall stems bearing deciduous green foliage. For optimal performance, this shade ground cover with a delicious aroma requires moist soil. Number 2. Lamium. Lamium, with its silvery or occasionally golden leaf, may liven up a shaded area. In the spring, it also bears little clusters of purple blossoms. Even though it gradually spreads outward, this shade ground cover never grows taller than a foot. The stems of Lamium plants are delicate, so take careful not to crush them underfoot. While deer and rabbits will stay away from dead nettle, it will draw pollinators like bees and butterflies to your garden. Number 3. Mondo Grass. Although it isn't really a grass, Mondo Grass is resistant to rabbits and deer. Its variegated, narrow, strappy leaves range from nearly black to green and grow anywhere from 3 to 24 inches in height. As a classic ground cover in Japanese gardens, it also makes a great border, sidewalk, or driveway edger. Number 4. Lamb's Ear. One of the common names for lamb's ear is the fluffy, touchable leaves. Even though the leaves seem to disappear in hotter climates during summer, they actually regenerate when the temperature gets cooler. Even if it won't be evergreen in areas with really cold winters, this plant will still be able to sprout from the ground up in the spring. Because of its delicate texture, lamb's ear is ideal for use in sensory gardens. However, deer are known to nibble on its leaves. Number 5. Pachysandra. In full shade, Pachysandra, also known as Japanese spurge, reliably remains evergreen, even in the dead of winter. The neat mats of green leaves it produces will eventually cover a wide area, much like a slope. This perennial ground cover can be easily contained by digging it up if it starts to travel too far. Although the tiny white flowers of Pachysandra are fragrant, they are not particularly eye-catching when they bloom in the spring. Number 6. Brass buttons. Dense mats of feathery, delicately textured foliage in shades of bronze black to purple gray are formed by brass buttons. The evergreen leaves stay on the plant all winter long in hardiness zones 9 to 10. During the winter months, this plant will wilt and return in the spring. Named after the little, button-shaped, yellow-green flowers that it produces in the summer. Number 7. Ajuga. Ajuga is a multi-purpose ground cover that can tolerate foot traffic and provide shade in areas where grass won't grow. Pretty leaves in green, crimson, bronze, purple, pink, or white are the major attraction of this perennial ground cover plant. In perfect circumstances, it can grow into a weed, so be sure that this isn't an issue where you live before you plant it. unless it starts to get too woody. This plant doesn't require much care. Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next videos.